This thing's definitely one of my favorites. I love the molded in spoiler on the back of this Roadrunner. Super cool. Looks like a Hellcat in it. Let's hit the interior. Pistol grip shifter.